With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome friends, our question is draw a circle of radius 2.5 cm with center O and take a point P outside the circle such that OP is equal to 7 cm and from P draw true tangent to the circle. So here we have to draw a circle of radius 2.5 cm. So we will draw a circle of 2.5 cm. So we'll set the compass to 2.5 cm. Okay. So I am setting here 2.5 cm. Okay. So this is of 2.5 centimeter. Now I will draw a circle. So I am drawing here the circle of this radius. Okay. So this is a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So the center is O. Okay. It is given the question. Okay, with center O and take a point P outside the circle. So now we take a point P outside the circle of 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter it is given the question. So we'll draw here. We'll draw here the line of 7 centimeter. Okay, so I'm drawing here is 7 centimeter. Now I will draw here the line of 7 centimeter. Okay, so this point, let's take this point P. Okay. Now this point is P. Now we'll draw a bisector to this OP, right bisector to this OP. So for that we will cut one arc of any length. I am drawing here a length of the diameter of the circle. Okay. So we'll cut an arc here on the upside of this OP and on the downside of this OP. Okay. Now we'll cut this arc from this point P. So from this point P, we'll cut this arc, two arc. Okay. Now we'll join these points. Now we'll join these points to get the bisector of OP. So this is the bisector of OP. This point, let's take this point B, M. Okay, so this is the bisector of OP. Now from this bisector, that means this point M, we'll draw a circle. We'll draw a circle of radius OM and OP. So we'll take here the radius. Okay. Now we'll draw a circle of this radius. So this will be okay. So this is the circle of this radius, that is OM and OP. Now we'll check the points, that is this point. Let this point be T and let this point be T dash. Okay. Now we'll join this T to this P and T dash to this P to get the tangent of this line. So I'm joining here these points. Okay. So I'm joining here these points. Now I will join this point to T dash. Okay. Now we know that the radius of this circle is perpendicular to the tangent. So I am drawing here the radius of this circle that is perpendicular to the tangent. So this is the radius. So the radius is of 2.5 centimeter. So I am writing here 2.5 centimeter. And this full line, that is OP, is 7 centimeter. So I am writing here 7 centimeter. Now I will write the construction steps. Okay. So construction steps should be means construction steps. So first step will be take a point O. Take a point O and draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, second point will be mark a point P outside the circle at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center O. Okay, and join OP. Okay. Now third point will be draw the bisector. Draw the bisector of OP intersecting OP at M. Sorry, we have taken here the M. Okay. Now fourth point will be taking M as center and OM is equals to MP as radius and draw a circle to intersect the given circle, at T and T dash. Okay. Now fifth point will be join PT and PT dash to get the required tangent. So these are answers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.